In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to attach a OneDrive share link on Outlook, allowing you to share files quickly and efficiently. As we navigate through this process, I'll offer clear explanations and helpful tips to make this as smooth as possible. To get started, you'll first need to log into your Microsoft account. Head over to the Microsoft login page, enter your credentials, and go ahead and log in. If you have multiple accounts, ensure you're using the one that's connected with both OneDrive and Outlook to avoid any hiccups later on. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on the Microsoft homepage. Next, we need to open Outlook. To do this, locate the app launcher, the small grid icon typically positioned in the upper left corner of the page. Clicking on this grid will open a panel displaying various app options. From this selection, go ahead and click on Outlook. In some office settings, you might see it labeled as Outlook 365, but it functions the same. Once Outlook is open, you can start a new email by clicking the New Mail button. This button should be prominently placed at the top of the left-hand panel, making it easy for you to quickly begin your message. Now, let's focus on how to include a share link from OneDrive in your email. First, find the Attach option, symbolized by a paperclip icon. This icon is standard across most email clients, and you'll generally find it at the top of your new message window. Clicking it will open a drop-down menu offering various attachment options. From this menu, you'll want to select OneDrive. By doing this, you'll be directed to your OneDrive files, allowing you to choose the document or file you intend to share. While navigating through your OneDrive folders, locate and select the specific file you wish to include in your email. With the file highlighted, you should see several action options. For our purposes here, we'll concentrate on creating a shareable link. Click on the option to Share Link. This action will not attach the entire file to your email but will instead generate a link that points directly to the file on OneDrive, keeping your email lightweight and accessible. Once the link has been created, you'll see it appear promptly in your email draft. This link is now fully prepared to be sent to your chosen recipients. They can click on the link in your email to directly access the file on OneDrive, ensuring they always have the latest version of your document. And there you have it. Your OneDrive file is now seamlessly linked in your Outlook email, ready to be shared with colleagues or friends. This method is great for keeping all your communications efficient and well organized. Remember, having everything connected within the Microsoft ecosystem not only saves time but also enhances collaboration.